is Grace Kasumo. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to eat super delicious food. You know what is the name of this food? It's chicken leg and potatoes. In Hindi we call it aloo. So I hope everyone was excited if this food is to be delicious or not, but I hope this food is to be delicious. Let's stay together. The thing I have here, I have tomatoes and water, so I'm going to mix it up. Oh my god. Ooh, I like much tomato. So let's first test the soup. My god, my dear, it's very good. Let me test the leg. I'm super excited, guys. It's very, very delicious. I forgot when to use spoon, so I will not use a spoon because the food is nice. You are welcome. You are watching there, you are welcome to eat together because the food is very delicious. And next time, if anyone wants to eat with me, you are welcome.